Feel like Scooby-Doo, I fuck her like a dog. Eat the bass like Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop your man, cause he ain't shit, I'll take you far. She drop it to it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ, and in today's video I will be making these masks out of like my old summer clothes. So yeah, just make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You already know the deal. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video, okay? Alright, so these are just some shorts that I have. They actually were some palazzo pants, but I cut them into shorts. So I'm just going to be using this fabric because I don't want them no more. So a lot of these clothes are like summer clothes, and y'all know it's getting cold. So who finna wear this? No. So these are also some drawers, like they're men drawers. I think it's the brand Crazy something. It's something like that. But I'm turning these into a mask as well. Now, mind you, yes, these are drawers, but I am going to wash all this stuff and then use them. So this is also a dress. I actually never wore this, but it was given to me. So I'm just going to, turn this into, I'm just going to turn the logo, like where the flea eyes is. I'm going to turn that into a mask. So y'all going to see. And then also this dress, I got this from like Rainbow, probably like last summer, like last year summertime. Never wore it. I think I wore it a couple times, but just not out. So I'm turning this into a mask as well. And then I have this little romper I got last year as well from Rainbow in the summertime. All the stuff I usually just wear in the house, so I never really wore it out. So I'm just turning it into a mask. So yeah, we're gonna get it together, okay? Because who got time to be paying for more masks? So these are just a few masks that I already cut out the fabric, and I'm just showing y'all the different ones. I actually have like maybe in like all the fabrics, I have like maybe 3 or 4 masks out of that one fabric or the one outfit that I had. So as y'all seen the felines, and then I'm using the elastic band as my ear loops or my ear wraps or whatever. I'm also using my sewing machine, some regular scissors, the black thread, of course, and I'm just going to be putting it together. So I will link the video that I found the inspiration from. I will link that in the description box below. That way y'all know how to make it, because I didn't really show y'all how I made them. But yeah, so y'all just gonna see what I come up with, and I will have like pictures and videos of all of them that I basically made. So yeah, these are just a few that I'm getting ready to sew together. And this is my felines. I really like my felines. I got a lot of compliments on this one, so I like my felines. I just got to put the elastic band band on the sides. That way I could be able to wear it. So yeah, oh my god. So this is just an idea for y'all to do if y'all don't want to keep buying masks. So here is one of the masks that I am doing. I'm currently doing. This mask is basically done. I just have to add the elastic right here, and then I'll be done. Once I add the elastic, it's gonna look something like this. This is actually my favorite one. So yeah, as you see, like I sewed the ends, and you see where the thread is. So yeah, I really liked how they turned out. I really do. So y'all get your inspiration on, okay. These are this is the mask that I currently use right now. Honestly, I can turn the inside out. It really don't matter, but sometimes I'd be confused on how to put it on. I think this is how you put it on, or this one, this way. I don't really know. I want to say it's this way because the nose, but this is like the nose way as well. So I don't know, but this one is the one that I currently use right now, and I love it. This material is real soft. So I'm gonna just show y'all real quick. And you put it behind your ear. and then put it behind the other ear. And then you just fix it, adjust your face. And I'm also cooking something too. So, yeah. It goes, this one goes all the way down. Like, this is my neck. And it's right here. It covers everything, which I like that. Yeah. I got a lot of compliments on this one because I guess the color is pretty or whatever. So, yeah. I like this one. I always use this one. I get a lot of compliments on that. And this one is not a stretchy material, but this is how it is. It's the Fila one. It got some bleach on it, but like I didn't bleach it, okay? So this is just how it's gonna be. Once again, I'm gonna put the I'm just talking. I'm gonna put the elastic band on her. It's gonna be smaller, folded in, and yeah, so it's gonna be like this. Okay, like that with the felines on the side. Okay, so that's that one, but the rest of them I have to make and get it going. This is another one. This is actually smaller. I don't know why I did it smaller, but yeah, it still fits regardless. So that's what you want. You want it to fit. So yeah, and all these are from my summer clothes that I'm not gonna be wearing in the winter. So we need some masks, and these you can wash these. This material, obviously. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I hope you guys like this video. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Make sure you guys stay safe out there and wear your mask, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.